Weight loss. Hello friends, if you have been struggling with weight loss and you want to lose weight, but make sure you're doing it correctly. Why? Because I'm a holistic health doctor, naturopathic doctor, and I've seen some of my clients have been trying to lose weight, but over time they damage their bodies. So the goal over here is losing weight and helping your body to repair itself. If this is what you are looking for, I'm here to help you. How can you do it? And the best way is considering your physical, mental, emotional health. Sometimes losing weight could be related to your stress management. So you're gonna pay attention to all aspects of your body. If this is what you are looking for, I'm here to help you to improve your health, not only physically but also emotionally, mentally over time. So you will be happier, healthier, you will have a clearer skin, better memory, more energized, while lowering inflammation in your body and preventing chronic health problems. If this is what you are looking for, I'm here to help you. My name is Dr. Sherry. I'm a doctor of traditional naturopathy and board certified holistic health counselor, yoga therapist. Feel free to reach me with any questions.